This is a brand new 2013 Jeep Wrangler. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a heavy-duty suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: a remote start feature, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, running boards, a passenger side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the navigation system will help you get from point A to point B on time. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Moritz Chevrolet Chrysler Jeep Dodge is located at 9101 Camp Bowie in Fort Worth. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.